there's a lot of information going on out there right now, and some of it is just clickbait, some of it is just fear tactics, trying to get people to do different things. As I've said in the past, one of my main goals is just to give information out so that you know at least hyper locally what is really going on and what you can expect from the real estate market. So I run into a lot of people, and the question always is this market going to crash? Are we in a bubble? What's going to happen? And so again, this is nothing like 2008. 2008 was a crash based on the mortgage industry, the mortgage world, and how they were giving money away. Right now, it is not a bubble. It is not something that is going to crash anything like what it was in 2008. Right now, it is simply there is no supply. And so there's a lot of demand out there. We just don't have the houses to sell, which is going to continue to bring the prices higher and higher. Now, there's a couple of factors that are going to be playing in as we move forward throughout this year. And the two things that will really help or hinder a little bit is, one, interest rates are going to be going up a little bit. Now, obviously, nobody has a crystal ball, and nobody will be able to say this is where they will be or this is where they won't be. Right now, we're currently in the low 3s for most traditional loans. And it may go up a little bit. We may see into the 3.25 to 3.5. We'll see. So the buying power there may move back just a little for some people out in the market. The good thing that we're seeing right now for buyers is in March, we had 1686 houses come onto the market. And then in April, we had 1844. May, we're looking very strong for that as well to increase. So we're seeing more homes come onto the market. So really what that means for buyers is there will be a little bit more inventory to choose from, and we may not see the 10, 12, 15 offers that are coming on many homes. Now, on the selling side of things, if you are considering putting your house on the market, considering selling right now, that is something to keep in mind, is there is more inventory that is coming on the market. Now, it's not a balanced market, it's not a buyer's market, it's still going to be a seller's market. In fact, a standard, traditional, normal market is 6 months of inventory. What that means is if you have the next 6 months and no houses come onto the market, they will all sell out within 6 months. In April, we were down to 0.35 months of inventory on the market in Pierce County. We moved up in April to 0.47, and then May, we're thinking we'll probably be above that a little bit more. So not as many eyes coming onto your house if you're looking at selling, but there's still a seller's market. So keep that in the back of your head if you're thinking about selling. And just remember, right now, at least in our hyper-local Thurston, Pierce, King counties, we're not in a bubble. It's not going to crash anything like it did in 2008, but we may see some fluctuation in the next few months. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.